A CAT diesel generator refers to a diesel-powered generator manufactured by Caterpillar Incorporated, commonly branded as CAT. These generators are widely used in industrial, commercial, and even residential applications for backup power, prime power, or continuous power. Yellow circle emoji. Key features of CAT diesel generators. 1. Fuel type, diesel. 2. Power range, typically from 8 kilowatts to 17,500 kilowatts. 3. Engine, high-performance Caterpillar diesel engines. 4. Cooling system, radiator-cooled or air-cooled. 5. Control panel, CAT EMCP, electric modular control panel, with digital monitoring. 6. Enclosure, sound attenuated and weatherproof options available. 7. Emissions, meets global standards, Tier 2, 3, 4 or EU Stage V depending on model. 8. Application, data centers, hospitals, factories, mining, construction sites, etc. Wrench emoji. Main components. Diesel engine, converts diesel fuel into mechanical energy. Alternator, converts mechanical energy into electrical power. Fuel system, stores and supplies diesel to the engine. Cooling system, maintains engine temperature. Lubrication system, reduces friction and wear. Battery, provides power to start the engine. Control panel, displays status and allows control of operations.